is all we have, but time is not for real. That makes us a little lost here. It makes existence itself a little hard to believe, but just have faith, my dear. I'm sorry if I made you think that all will be just fine. I hate to break that we must die. I left you all alone ago, and don't even think I know you. And you don't know who I am. You never had a chance to, 'cause I was always searching and I was never there, was busy leaving you. So dream of me as if I'm a little spark shooting off of a campfire, swirling with the smoke, and up I go, perhaps towards the night sky, and you will see the afterglow. But sometime pretty soon I'll be out of sight, out of sight, and you'll see the afterglow, but I'll be out of sight. Most of all the days we never got to live, they are so real to me, and I will keep on for a time, also from the other side of our memories, when all that's left is memories, when all that's left is memories.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me, standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid.